This is my first fixer-upper, so I'm gonna document the experience.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber. It's demo day.
No, we're keeping that wall.
Repair whole drywall.
Underneath, there are hardwood floors.
Got an ugly carpet? Me too. Let's remove it.
We'll need a garbage bag, mask, duct tape, utility knife, pliers, fly bar, gloves, and glasses.
These just so happen to also be the tools you need to commit murder, but that's next week's
So
video.
we're going to keep these wood cabinets, paint them.
Smile, because this may be the best thing that happened to you in 2020. I take it back. Pocatwerk's the best thing that happened in 2020. Oh my gosh, is this vintage shiplap? Love how it feels! We're keeping this. 1970s wood paneling. It's a piece of history. That should be painted over. Welcome to Painting 101. Freely apply the paint. Ow. We are gathered here today to say goodbye to this beloved wallpaper. You guys, the second floor of our fixer-upper is finished. Basically blew up the entire upstairs. This is where things get messy. See this blue tile? It's time for a makeover. It's totally okay for it to be messy because the paint will wipe off of the tile without wiping off of the grout. This was a match between the wet towel and the dry paint, and somehow the grout won. Phone Alex and call it good enough. We're gonna call it good enough. Coverage from one coat appears to be good enough, and what I have is good enough. And to that I say, good enough.